Since young, I've been always fascinated by Land Rover. I remember my old dad has a Series 1, that was a long time back. When somebody contacted me that, hey, there's this last batch of the Puma series, and if you're interested, come down and take a look. So I went down and I had a look in there, and I just felt that I need to have it. I found Custom 613. I think it kind of, I can visualize this is exactly what I want, and I think you guys done a good job. I think sometimes I'm very specific exactly what I want, and then I think you also make a lot of recommendations and enhance the feature set and so on. Now I can't wait to just go out and drive. And my intention here is to do a lot of overland drive, Peninsula Malaysia, Borneo. I think I'm also planning an overland trip to Thailand, perhaps go to Laos, and the border of Myanmar, and we'll see. And I think this is something really interesting, and I probably want to do with my boys.